Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Aditya Teaches Chess. I am Aditya, federator player and chess coach. So today we are going to learn about castling and their rules. So first we have to know what is king side and what is queen side. Since we will place the queen on d5, the half of the board we call it as queen side. So in the E alphabet we are going to place a king. So this is we call it as king side. This is a king side and this is a queen side. Okay, we move to castling topic. What is castling? Castling is a move in chess. It consists of moving the king two squares toward a rook on the same rank and then moving the rook to the square that king passed over. So we call it as kingside castle, and this move we call it as queenside castle. Castling is the only move in chess in which two pieces are moved at once. An unmoved king has castling rights with an unmoved rook of the same color of the same rank. Suppose if I moved a rook to b1, rook c8, if black plays rook c8, again I keep the rook on a file or its initial position, again keeping the black rook on a8 initial position. Now I lost castling rights on queen side. Now I cannot castle on queen side because the rook already moved. The same rule applies for the black also. Now the black lost queen side castle, but he can castle on king side. If I move my king d1, king to d8, and bringing my king to its initial position, now it's white to play. White lost castle rights. White cannot castle king side, and also white cannot castle on queen side because the king has moved. So castle rules applies when king does not unmoved. And the second most important thing is the squares between the king and the rook are must vacant. Castling is permitted only if neither the king nor the rook has previously moved. So here in this position, white cannot castle queen side because the bishop is in the way, but white can castle king side. So in this position, black king cannot castle queen side because the d8 square was controlling by knight. Black cannot pass through the d8 square, but he can castle king. So here in this position, black cannot castle king side because the f8 square was controlling by the bishop. So black king cannot pass through the f8 square. So here in this position, black king cannot castle queen side because you will get check on ca. So here black cannot castle either side because black king is in check by the white queen. So here in this position, white king cannot castle queen side because he will get check on c1 square. But white king can castle on king side even though his h1 rook is under attack. So here in this position, black cannot castle king side and also queen side because the white queen controlling the square f8 and c8 square. Under FIDE rules and USCF rules and enforced in most tournaments, castling is considered a king move. So the king must be touched first. If the rook is touched first, a rook move must be moved. So summary of this video, castling is permitted provided all of the following conditions. So the first, neither the king nor the rook has previously moved, and the second, there are no pieces between the king and the rook, and third, the king is not currently in check, and fourth, the king does not pass through or finish on a square that is attacked by an enemy piece. Thanks for watching my video. In the next part, I am going to teach you how to capture, attack and defense. Please subscribe to my channel and share. Thank you once again. Bye bye. See you.